Hi, today we've got, this is a Hewlett-Packard, it's an all-in-one machine, okay, multifunctional machine, photocopy, printer, scanner. Alright, so this particular model loads the paper from the top, and the issue we're having here, let's just do a photocopy, is that the paper goes in a couple of inches, and then we have the classic paper jam message. Okay, let's just switch it off. Okay, so these particular models, the paper is loading in from the top. It's very easy for something like a pencil to roll, especially when you're always lifting the lid to photocopy something. You roll and it will always go down into that compartment there. Okay, most probably a pencil or a pen or a paper clip has gone down into the feed and is jamming up one of the rollers. Okay, this particular model here will have a inspection cover on the bottom of the printer. Okay, here it is here. Let's just open it and see if anything's fallen in there. Okay, well, there's nothing here, so whatever it is was probably been pulled into the rollers here. So we don't want to take it apart, but we should be able to, just by looking with the torch, the paper is fed down the back through this roller here in the front, and you can just follow the paper trail and see if there's anything. And here looks like there's it's white. Oh, it's a piece of wire. Okay, so don't damage any rollers, don't force anything, don't bend anything. Just sort of ease it back out the way it came, not forward, back out the way it came. And have a look here, here we go. Here we go. So it's cable tie, used to tie the cables. That's gone down into the paper feed, and that's causing the paper jam. So let's switch it on. Let's see, do we have a fix? Okay, let's try photocopy. And there we go. Good as new. Thanks for watching. Remember, there's always a fix.